Today, we've got some exciting news that's shaking up the finance and blockchain industries. Tokenized US Treasuries have surged by a whopping $210 million, revolutionizing how traditional financial assets are traded on the blockchain. So, what does this mean for you and the future of finance? Well, first off, let's break down what tokenized US Treasuries are. In simple terms, these are US government bonds that have been converted into digital tokens on a blockchain. Instead of dealing with old school paper bonds or slow traditional systems, you can now buy, sell, and trade these assets quickly and efficiently on blockchain platforms. It's like giving a high-tech makeover to one of the most traditional investment vehicles out there. Now, on to the big news. The market for tokenized US Treasury has grown by $210 million since basically surpassing the $2 billion mark at the end of August 2024. That's a significant leap, bringing the total market cap to $2.21 billion. This surge reflects a growing interest and adoption of blockchain technology in the mainstream finance sector. People are starting to see the benefits of combining the stability of US Treasuries with the flexibility and transparency of blockchain. So why should we care about this? Well, tokenized treasuries offer several advantages. 24/7 trading. Unlike traditional markets, blockchain platforms never sleep. You can trade anytime, anywhere. Increased accessibility. More people can now invest in US Treasuries without the usual barriers. Ease of transfer. Sending and receiving these tokens is faster and more efficient than traditional methods. By leveraging the full faith and credit of US government bonds, these digital assets provide a stable investment while maximizing the benefits of distributed ledger technology. It's kind of like a win-win situation. So let's talk about who's making waves in this particular space. BlackRock's 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, which with a market cap of $531.88 million, BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, the 𝗕𝗪DL, is leading the pack. It saw a 3.32% growth over the past 30 days. 𝗕𝗪DL offers institutional investors a secure way to diversify their portfolios with US Treasuries while enjoying blockchain liquidity and transparency. Hash note short duration yield coin USYC is second on the list. USYC isn't far behind, boosting a 27.38% increase this month and reaching a value of $309.39 million. It's solidifying its importance in the tokenized asset field. Next on the list, with a market cap of $441.14 million, USDY experienced a 11.3% rise over the same period. Franklin Templeton's Franklin On-Chain US Government Money Fund, or FOBXX, though its market cap dipped slightly by 0.66%, it still stands strong at $437.47 million. Plus, Franklin Templeton is expanding accessibility by integrating FOBXX into Aptos blockchain, allowing users to own tokenized shares of US Treasury-backed assets through the BENJI token. These heavy hitters are not just growing themselves, but are also pushing the entire industry forward. Even though the market cap is soaring, the numbers of investors is still relatively small. As of October 2024, there are only 6,213 holders of tokenized treasuries, with BlackRock's BUIDL accounting for a significant portion of it, but only 12 active investors in the past month. It might sound tiny, but the transfer volumes tell a very different story. BUIDL saw $78.99 million in transfer volume over the past 30 days, despite a 26.78% decline from September. Ondu Short-Term US Treasury Bond Fund, or OUSG, on the other hand, had a massive 368.38% increase in transfer volume, $115.97 million. These numbers suggest that while the user base is small, the activity and interest is ramping up quickly. So the question should be, why is this happening right now? The consistent growth of tokenized treasury highlights the broader trend, a demand for blockchain-based financial solutions that blend traditional finance stability with blockchain's flexibility. Investors who were previously hesitant about diving into crypto are finding comfort in assets backed by something as stable as US Treasuries. The ease of trading and transparency offered by blockchain platforms make these assets even more appealing for portfolio diversification. Beyond the numbers, there are some exciting developments. Franklin Templeton's integrating FOBXX into the Aptos blockchain is a very big deal. By using the BENJI token to represent the fund, they're making it easier for institutional investors to get involved. The Tokenized Asset Coalition, the TAC, recently released a comprehensive analysis highlighting the growth of blockchain and tokenization, adding 21 new members to their ranks. This shows a collective industry effort to push forward. 𝗕𝗓 Finance, a leader in the tokenized US Treasury space, continues to innovate with products like USDY and OUSG, strengthening its position in the market. These advancements are not just isolated events, but are a part of a larger movement towards embracing blockchain in traditional finance. So let's talk about social sentiment. What are people saying? Scrolling through X, Reddit, and other forums, the crypto community is buzzing about this news. Many see it as a validation of blockchain technology's potential to revolutionize traditional finance. Comments like "the future of finance is here" and "finally, blockchain is going mainstream" are common. However, there are some cautious voices reminding everyone that while this is exciting, it's essential to approach new investment opportunities wisely. Some are concerned about small number of active investors and wonder if its growth is sustainable. But overall, the sentiment leans towards optimism and enthusiasm for what is to come. So here you have it. A significant surge in tokenized US Treasury is not just a headline, it's a sign of the times. The blending of traditional financial assets with blockchain technology is opening up new avenues for investment, accessibility, and growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto space, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. What do you think about this shift towards tokenization? Is the future of finance here, or just another trend to kind of think about? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, or join us in our free Discord server. We would love to hear what you all have to think about this. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, check out this video right here. It's not one you're going to want to miss.